Hamid, what is up? Chris Knopf, what is going on? Romeo. Paul S, Jack Boom, Cosmos, John Walk, what is up? Det 5, Designs here, Joom here, 4 Ring, JC Trades, what is up? Hey, Jason Richardson's in the house. Trading on tilt, Brian Adams, J-Val, Powers 737. Consistency? What do you mean? No consistency on the new funded accounts. Oh, you're probably seeing this one. This one's consistency for the old starter account. That's the old starter account. Still got one of those. Chef Chris, what is up? All right, market's gonna open here. Trying to let me fire up a chart. How about that? Let's request a payout real quick. So very simple. My Funded Futures to request a payout. I got this core account up there. I'm gonna request here. It's at $2,276. I'm gonna request $1,000. I already have RiseWorks set up, so let's just see. Look at that, guys. Already sent. Processed and already sent. So within seconds, guys. It's already $800 right to my RiseWorks account. Done. You don't have to wait. You know, breathe. You don't have to breathe and relax for weeks. Just like that, guys. And let's see. The money's already taken out. So this is the core account I was trading. The $1,000 is out. The 800 is in my RiseWorks account, and I can trade that account. It's ready to go. So I started trading props in 2021, Nick. Tyler, what is up? John Walk. Investars in the house. J-Val's in the house. Chef Chris is in the house. Tony Gold, what is up? Jack Boom. Daryl. Thank you. Yes. Very nice. All right, market's pushing up a little bit. So another red day, really, right? Kind of an inside day, but I believe that it did finish red. Yeah. So what is that? 7 days in a row. Put an inside bar on the daily. Yeah, Paul, super fast. I mean, My Funded Futures is the fastest payout in the game, guys. For sure. I do like the other prop firms too, but that is one plus with My Funded Futures is that it's the fastest payout. Full port for the stream. So this core right here, this core account is ready for a payout. I just need $100 and I can request another payout with My Funded Futures tomorrow. So that'll be $2,000 worth of requests. So $1,600 total if I can get this week. So on that, and then another $1,500 on Bulenox this week. So good $3,000 week with payouts. I really didn't buy too many. I didn't go crazy and buy a bunch of take profit trader resets or anything like that. So, you know, say I spent maybe 500 or so on evals. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I don't know for sure, but Lay, what is going on? Anyone catch the first inside bar today? Another beauty, guys. So here's the first inside bar. Right here. I took it for 20 points. I took this this trade on My Funded Futures TV, if anyone caught me on there. I took the short off this outside bar and took profit right down here for about 20 points or so. I don't know if anyone caught me on My Funded Futures TV today. It was last second. They had a call out for Ash trades, and Terry texted me and said, "Hey, do you want to come on My Funded Futures TV?" I said, "Sure." And so I just popped on for 1 second there, and stayed for the hour. RW, what's going on? Biblical, what is going on? How'd you do today? Pro Fast Guy, what's in the house? What's going on? Chris B, one stop. Yes, I only trade off the 5-minute chart, but RW, but some people are trading it or looking for it on the 1-minute charts too. For Ash trades, yeah. Best inside bar you caught was 725. Early this morning, huh? Must have been this one here. Hey, Prince Sethi. Thank you so much for the sub. So we will do a giveaway tonight. I have Take Profit Trader accounts to give away. No more Tradeify accounts. Those are gone. I am trying to get some My Funded Future accounts for you guys, but don't know if they responded yet. So I did ask, we'll see. They said they're gonna ask, alright, so they're still working on that. I don't really know who the affiliate manager is for My Funded Futures anymore. Corey, what is up? Do you get put in a live account after My Funded Futures after 4 payouts? That I don't know. That might have changed. It used to be 30 days of $100 or more. They would put you in a live account. Let me see if I can find anything on that. I don't see anything about that. Stone, what is up? Corey, I think I said hi to you. What's going on? Really, you notice between 6 and 7:30 a.m. there's good stuff, Biblical? Yeah, I'm usually not trading. I'm usually sleeping, to be honest. But, boy, Terry Trades likes to trade early in the morning. For sure. She's usually in trades super early. I don't like to trade pre-market. BW, what is up? What time is Jackson Hole tomorrow? Let's check. Forex Factory. All day, it says. Let's see. We have Fed speakers starting at 9 a.m. So 9, 10 a.m. or so. Yeah, I'm not sure the exact time. Coach HID. Green Trump Red, what's going on? Anyone long here? I am not. I am flat at the moment. But like I said, another down day, really. Put in an inside day, but the day did finish red. So, kind of interesting. 7 days in a row. Did we get an 8th day in a row? 8 a.m. Thank you, ProFast Guy. 8 a.m. for Jackson Hole. His Royal Trades in the house. John Carter in the house. Is it the inside bar on the daily? What does that mean? I don't really know. I don't generally trade off it, but you can kind of look in the past, and if we do break one side or the other, it does present an opportunity for sure, because these are daily candles. So if we just span out here, so if you did take a break, you know, that's a good 100 points right there off the break. Of course, I don't know where you would put your stop. Maybe trade one micro. But there's another 137 points right there. And here's another break. You could have held that for almost 100 points over the span of 2 days if you swing traded it off that inside bar. So it does present some opportunity. I just don't know how you would size it. I guess if we did break one side or the other, that's what I would be looking for. I'd be looking for longs, maybe possibly above this 370 area, and shorts, you know, the 116 area. I don't know, just an idea. I generally don't look at that, but it is an interesting thing. Can I get a payout? Shout out? Oh, I thought you said, can I get a payout? Nick's girlfriend, Nick Girl's girlfriend, Nick will get a payout eventually. I promise. No, I don't know. I don't know. He might already be getting payouts, but what's going on, Nick? Jordan in the house. Tommy Stark. Ooh, inside bar, huh? Let's take it. See if I can get $100. Lock in this payout tonight. Not get too much in the hole. Just give me like 5 points, please. They have not been working lately, these inside bars on the open for Globex. The last, pretty much all week, they haven't worked. But we'll see. I appreciate you, Tommy. Yeah, I love Stock Tiger too. He's the man. Stone, let's go. First take profit trader day 1 payout today. Let's go, Stone. Let's give it up for Stone. Pico's red. What is happening? Trev in the house. Congratulations, Stone. That's an awesome feeling. That's what take profit trader is all about, man. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. So yeah, take profit trader, guys. Trade day. Get those day 1 payouts. So once you're funded, if you get over the buffer, you can take the day 1 payouts. So I'm really digging the trade day, end of day accounts. I got a day 1 payout on the. I forgot about that payout earlier this week too. That was $500. But yeah. Then I blew it the next day. So. See if we can bust through that high. Rejecting there, 244.75. Put in a Harami here. Hey, Zabar. Thank you, Zabir. Thank you so much. Yeah, I am long. I'm currently long. I'm looking to take a My Funded Future, another My Funded Future payout if this trade wins. It's another G. How long does Take Profit Trader take to pay out? Usually, like if I request after the market closes, but it doesn't usually update around 10, 11 o'clock Eastern time. By the next morning, I usually have my payout. Yes, so I was on My Funded Futures TV earlier today. They called me in just the last second to fill in some time, and so I'm glad I got some new people. How many of you guys saw me on My Funded Futures TV today? Besides Zabir. Get up there! Oh, thank you, Zabir. My take profit is just 248.25. I'm not looking for much. Hey, thank you, Trev. Spider Lily, what is up? Oh, cool, Coach Singh. Thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Yes, Terry Trades is the host. The story I told, I think I've just told that I was that I went broke twice trying to trade. So I was a full-time trader twice and had to go back to work. So I'll start off the beginning. So I used to be a mail carrier. I was a mail carrier for 15 years. I was a mechanic. I was a carpenter. All the above, and then I quit the postal service because I had invested in some properties, and I made a decent amount of money so I could manage to quit the postal service. I was completely out of debt, and I owned my house and everything, and so I got out of the postal service, and I went broke trading. I lost all my money. I lost $30,000 twice on 2 trades, trading options, and then I decided I pretty much blew through all my cash, and I decided to go back to work. And I was fortunate enough to had still owned an investment property that needed to be rehabbed, and I ended up just taking every single credit card I had, every Lowe's, Home Depot credit card I could get my hands on, and I maxed it all out to get the house fixed up. I did all the work myself, and I managed to sell that house after working on it for about 7 months, 8 months straight, and then I was able to get back into trading again. And I was also door dashing and doing all that stuff too, while I was working on the house, just to cover the bills. So that's the story I told on my Funded Futures TV. Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah. Thank you, ProFast Guy. I appreciate it. Oh, thank you, RW. But yeah, no, I just tell that story sometimes just to inspire, and some people that might feel discouraged with their trading. It's just like, don't give up. I started this journey with futures in 2021, and it's only been 2 years of profitability, maybe a year and a half of profitability. And then, I really wish I would have just stuck with prop firms, to be honest with you, because I lost a lot of personal money. I could have bought a lifetime worth of evaluations probably. Now it's I take payout money, I pay, I invest it into my personal account, and then I trade off my personal account, as long as with prop firm money. Inside outside bars, fucking bars, yeah. Let's go, Oni. I haven't started the giveaway quite yet, guys. Smash that like button, though. As soon as I get out of this trade, I'll have you ever decided that this wasn't for you? No, I would take breaks where I wouldn't even look at the market at all. I wouldn't even trade. Especially when I was working on that house and stuff, I wouldn't even trade. And, but no, I just knew it could be done. I'd look at people like Tom Hugard and things like that, and, he didn't really come from anything, he actually has the similar background as my parents. So his parents had the same careers. His dad was a vacuum mechanic or repairman. My dad's a car mechanic, and then his mom was a nurse, and that was very inspirational to me. I was just like, I can do this. I know I can do it. I don't know about this trade, but thank you so much for the sub. But yeah, no, I never really wanted to give up. Shallow trading. Shillow trading. Thank you for the sub. Brian Zero, thank you for the sub. I'll get the giveaway going soon. We won't do it until the moose race till the end of the stream anyway, which is around 8 p.m. Eastern time. But yeah, definitely paid my tuition for sure. How can you make one pay via YouTube? So the money is not really in YouTube, Zabar. The money is in affiliates. You gotta have a very large following to make money on YouTube. Like someone like Patrick Whelan, I'm sure makes a pretty nice check from YouTube. He also makes a pretty nice check from affiliates. But yeah, really no, like this channel, I do have it monetized, but you know, a couple $100 a month maybe I make off of it. And you know, affiliates can pay sometimes a couple $100 a day depending on the day or the sales and things like that. But yeah, Jakob, I don't know if I said your Jakob, thank you for the sub, appreciate you. Probably mispronounced your name, but all right, bouncing off the VWAP here. We gotta hold this. Hey, Red Candle's in the house. What is up? Thank you, Tech T. Trying to get another one. If I can just get this up over. If I can just get $100 on this, then we can get another payout. But maybe not. Maybe it won't happen. Another inside bar. Yeah, Trev, he's still standing. He ain't going nowhere. He had, I tuned into Patrick Whelan's stream this morning just for a second. Just wanted to see what it was about. I really don't listen, and he had almost 6,000 people watching this morning. 6,000. I was like, holy cow. Remind me how this chart is named. Oh, the indicator, it's LDT inside outside bars. Right here. So LDT inside outside bars. Oh, this is not looking good. This might be a better short, but is there a gap? Really? Yeah, Smokey, it's not looking good. I was long off this inside bar here, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. No, there's no consistency on this account. Nope. The only consistency, yeah, there's no consistency on my funded future funded accounts anymore. There is consistency on the evals though, 50%, which kind of suck. All right, stopped out on that. Unfortunate. I tried. Captain Clutch, what is up? See, I just can't print in stops. Now it's gonna go. did get bottom ticked here. Let's see if it actually does push back up. This is on a starter account. I hope so, Smokey. Buy it up. Please. That's right. Oops. All right, let's see. Yeah, they can be very difficult. Pro fast guy for sure. Hot. Locked out the top stuff for another 4,500 bucks. Let's go. 150K accounts. Yeah, I trade with Top Step, Sabir. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I like them. I think they're one of the best. Jinzo, what is up? $4,500, let's go. See if we can break above the VWAP. Don't know. We'll see. Scalp, what's going on? 31,000 this month. Let's go, Smokey. That's a great month. Save some money for taxes. Did they take any trades today, O'Brien? Oh yeah, for sure. Had a great day. Good, nice, solid green day. Very good day on all my funded accounts. I ended up blowing my funded futures evaluation, and that's about it. I bought an evaluation for the show, my funded futures TV show, and made a beautiful 20-point trade on the show. And then when I got off the show, I ended up messing around. I found out. Ended up blowing the account, but what am I thinking for tomorrow? Probably sideways. A lot of choppiness. That's what I'm kind of thinking. But it'll be interesting if we break either today's high or low, because it's that big inside bar. So if we break the high or the low of today or yesterday, that'll be interesting for sure. Could be another inside day. Do I normally full port evals? Yeah, pretty much. For the most part, unless it's like trade day or take profit trader. Because you have to trade those for 5 days and 7 days anyway. Sean, what is up? Oh, it's all good. Made 1.4 last night, now it's been a bitch. Yeah, I can do that, Zaid, for sure. Globex can be tough. It's tough for me to trade Globex, to be honest with you. Another inside buy here. I'd like this break on the inside bar to fail. Should be nice. Michael Benny, I did have a good day. Real good day. Took a payout. Was green on all my funded accounts. Let's go, Michael. Use my code on Beulanox. Yeah, 90% off yesterday. 83% off Beulanox right now, guys. So I'm waiting on my Beulanox payout. I have to wait till next Wednesday. Oh, I forgot I passed the Beulanox today too. I bought one and I full ported it. 7 contracts and passed it. They have Rhythmic helpful and Project X. They don't have Trade of 8. Thank you, Sean. Let's go. Yeah, good week of payouts. Well, technically I haven't got the Beulanox one yet, but submitted. But yeah, 25, 3,000 in payouts this week. Not too bad. And if I can make $100 on this account, then it'll be another 1,000, or 1,000 requested. You get 800 bucks, but you guys know what I mean. See if we can break that high. Give me back my son. Give me back my money. Oh, nice red candles. Caught the PMI red candle of doom. 1 mini, 1,200 bucks. Let's go. Nice trade. Scalp Ripper. Time target rate probability is now 75. Hitting 425, 450 doesn't look good. Oh, J-Val, nice. I like it. Yeah, please feel free to share whatever you find out in the Discord or whatever. I'll put the Discord in the chat too, guys. We will do a giveaway later. That's really fun stuff. Oops. Discord's right there in the chat, pinned to the top. If you guys want to join up. Yeah, smash the like button, Max, and red candles. Appreciate that. Backtesting does take a long time unless you know how to do it like JVal with PineScript or things like that. I'm a lot like probably like you, helpful. I'm a pen to paper person because I barely know how to turn on a computer, but it's definitely, if you can find a bot or a way to backtest things automatically, it'd be awesome. Thank you, RW. Yeah, I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to sell, so I got nothing to hide, right? Come on, pump this up. Let's just break the highs so I can take this money and run. Break of this outside bar would look pretty good. But pretty choppy right now. It's just kind of going back and forth on the VWAP. A trading view that can back test it for me, but it's different real-time trading. Yeah, helpful. That's what I found. I do more like forward testing now. Hey, one stop. Let's go. Thank you for the tip, man. I appreciate it. Let's take out the highs here. Still underwater on this account. Thank you so much, One Stop. I appreciate the support. Smash a like for One Stop. Come on, take out the high there. What are you doing? Let's go! Another payout locked in. I'll take that, Alright, I'm completely flat now. So yeah, so I just needed $100 on this to get a payout. I will take it, even though I don't have that much of a buffer. It'll still leave me about $1,000, $1,100. Something like that. So it's this count right here, count 260. I needed 5 more days, basically. Or 1 more day. So it was, see, the current was 4 days, so that was 1 more day of $100. So I'll withdraw another 1,000. So that's well, 1,600 total after I take out the commissions, but 1,600 bucks out of my funded futures on those core accounts. So the way I look at it is, like, if you can repeat that a few times a month, those kind of pay the bills, right? And then you can build up a non-consistent or a bigger account, like a Top Step account or something like that, where you can build it much bigger and, you know, go for bigger wins and bigger payouts, you know. But I look at the core accounts like, all right, those are the bills, the ones that pays the bills, you know. It's kind of the way I look at it. But thanks, guys, appreciate it. Hey, thanks, Chef Chris. Yeah, my funded futures today. Thank you. Yeah, you can go back and rewatch it, Chef Chris, when you get bored. I thought I added some pretty good stuff to it. I placed a really nice trade on there. I was really happy. Yeah, helpful, exactly. I mean, it's okay. You got 2 payouts, and then on a 14-day winning streak, and then you blew it on the 3rd. That's perfectly fine. It doesn't owe you anything. You got your monies back, and yeah, you just do it again. Oh, appreciate that, Sherry. Yeah, inside outside bars, they do work, guys. You know, they don't work every time, but if you can manage your risk, you know. Do I copy trade? JVal? I do, usually within the firms. So I've been talking about like maybe getting a trade syncer or something like that, or whatever it's called, and copy trading my TradeAvate accounts, but all right, me get the giveaway fired up. So I have a 50K take profit trader I can give away tonight. I am working on trying to get some more accounts for you guys. But we'll do that towards the end of the stream. Sire, what is up? So today was very good. Green day all around. Got 2 payouts now. So today was a good day. Do I trade inside bar as a breakout? Yes. I do, Michael Benny. So I do take them as a breakout. Sometimes I will flip the switch. If it goes against me right away, I'll flip the switch once it breaks to the other side, as long as the stop is manageable. But Biblical, one of our subscribers in the chat, you know, he's kind of doing things a little bit differently, where he takes the break but he waits for the close of the next bar. So that's something I'm going to take a look at over the weekend too. And I think if you can, any way you can eliminate some bad trades, but I think that overall, like the first inside bar hits around 75-80%. With a 20-point take profit. It's pretty good, so I don't know. Scout uses simple copier. Yeah. Thank you, Sire. Yeah, Profast guy, they will not. No, they would never give me a Top Step affiliate. I wish. Guys, Top Step affiliates. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure they pay those guys not just with accounts, but they give them salaries, and they're very large. I would do it. If they want to give me $1 million salary a year, I would do it. Say be a Top Step exclusive. What's my bias, long or short? I don't really have a bias, Aaron, right now. We traded inside today, pretty much. I mean, we were down. It was a red day. But we did kind of trade inside, put in this inside bar for the day, so I don't really have a bias. Daryl, exactly. Kami Capital made $400,000 in 1 month, guys, with Top Step affiliates. I do not make that kind of money. Which one is inside bar, Cody? It's the yellow ones. These yellow ones, they're inside bars. $400,000 a month's life changing. I know. I am very fortunate. I feel fortunate that I can just do this for a living. Like, that's amazing to me. No wonder when Rips was a Top Step, he trashed every other firm. Full Tilt says absolutely. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna say too much, but just know that I know some streamers, or of some streamers that you guys know, that have turned down huge amounts of money to be exclusive affiliates with some of these prop firms. To be exclusive. So if it's smaller than the outside, you go long. No, so I just take the break. I literally just look for the break. So like for instance on this candle here, I would just, if it broke to the downside, I would just go short. If it broke to the upside, I would just go long. You know. This was that trade that I was in was more of a discretionary trade. Was it PW? Well, he gets exclusive deals all the time for sure. Why do inside bars always have low volume? I don't know. Maybe because it's consolidating. If I made 100,000 in a year, that would be life changing. Yeah. Well, before I mean, I was making a decent living at the postal service. I wasn't rich, but for my area, when did I quit? I quit in 2000 and geez, it's been a while. 2012, something like that. 13. When did I quit? Maybe 2015. I was making about 85,000 as a mail carrier. No, I don't get a pension, unfortunately, John Watt. No. That was part of the money I blew. I ended up taking money out of my thrift savings account from the postal service, and I ended up blowing it trading. Because I wasn't full time for that whole time I was there, John. I was there 15 years, but I was only full time for, I don't know, 7, 8. I was a substitute rural carrier. Yeah, I was an RCA too, Oni. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, I was an RCA, and then I was a full-time rural carrier. Any other postal workers? Former postal workers? How much is huge? You're talking 7 figures a year, G-Trade. For some of those affiliates. I don't look old. I mean, I guess you would say I was 25. I'm actually 41. The camera makes me look younger. I got all these filters on there. Oh, hey Alyssa, what is up? My sister's in the chat, guys. Alyssa, what is up? Postal lady is hot. That's funny. Yeah, the 2 best jobs in the world. Let's go, Johnny FX. Love it. City 204B. You're a carrier, Corey? Is that what that means? Or am I'm missing something? Sorry. You just work for the UPS, Max? Nice. Yeah, smash the likes up, guys. Appreciate that. Alyssa, smash that like button, please. Oh, you work for Remax. Oh, that's cool, Johnny. Oh, you were a carrier and then a supervisor, Corey. The dreaded supervisor. I'm sure you're a good supervisor, though. I'd have been the one giving you shit all the time. That's awesome, Corey. I set up a little cooler for the postal guy at UPS, and the Amazon driver came and took all the blue Gatorades. Them damn Amazon drivers. Alright, so what am I going to trade now? Alright, that account's locked in. I'll trade this account here. So I've been trading these funded accounts a little bit on stream. Last few nights I dug myself in bad holes, but I managed to get out of them. Yeah, only there's definitely some bad supervisors, bad post. Problem was at my work at the postal service, it was we had new postmasters every 2 seconds, and it sucked. Harish, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll do a moose race here in about an hour or so. Appreciate you guys hanging out. We do it at the end of the stream. Gearing up for 3,000 subs, guys. Getting pretty close. See where we're at now. We are, let's see, 90 subs away from 3,000. Let's go. The biggest, the largest Willie Trades Futures he is. For sure. 6,000 people watching him today. But I'm glad my friend Terry Trades 100 is going to the BDH. Thank you, Alyssa. Appreciate that. To face off with another trader. I don't really know the details, but yeah. Well, it's in the works. Willie Trades. It's in the works. There was an audit from the plan I saw. I worked 8 days in a row already and was sent home. Getting yelled at as I was leaving. Yeah. Yeah. Oni. Yeah. Here's some crazy stories for sure. I have some crazy postal stories. Is that a Bud Light? Of course. No, it's a seltzer water. A LaCroix. But it is technically kind of my Friday, so I will have an IPA later when I get off stream. Have a Four Loko. I'll probably have some sort of local IPA or something. We'll see what's up. Maybe I'll have a Moscow Mule. I like those Moscow Mules. I'm gonna have a drink. Planning on going to dinner tonight, so Quick hand, thought for sure it was Bud Light. It's like real quick. Trade responsibly. Yeah, that's right. That's right, Chris. Yeah. Those Four Locos, those are those real potent. Oh yeah, those are heartburn cities. Those are heartburn cities for me. 13.9% alcohol. Pretty strong. Some of the IPAs I drink are pretty potent for sure. Love the mules. Yes, all that ginger. I love ginger. Tiger Belly. What is up? Tiger Belly, do you listen to the podcast Tiger Belly? By chance. With Bobby Lee. Michael Berry, Maine does have some sick breweries. Yeah, so I got into the IPAs about 5 years ago, and I travel around to different breweries and stuff, trying them out. You know, just for fun. I'm not a heavy drinker, but you know, I'm not opposed to it. I worked with a woman that would join stand up at 9 in the morning with a Bud Light as a drink. Oh man. Yeah, it's good. It does have legal weed for sure. The old shipyard. Yeah, Michael Berry. I like the old pumpkin heads. I think they probably should be coming on the shelves pretty soon. It's more of a dessert, but the old shipyard pumpkin heads. Tastes like a pumpkin pie. That's so good. Put cinnamon sugar around the rim of the glass. Oof. It's a dessert. Carolinas has some great breweries too. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, everywhere I go, whatever state I go to, and they have a New England IPA, that's what I go for. I mean, that's kind of what I go for. So I'm just waiting for a setup too, guys. We're at 240s here. Pushed right back to the VWAP. Hasn't really done too much. Felt a little lucky about that exit. Swept the high and then pulled right back. So. Tradeify's having a tournament this Sunday? Oh, interesting. Oh, cool. Yeah. So Tradeify, I guess, is having a tournament. Not sure the details, but thank you, sire. Check out the Tradeify website, I would imagine, or the Discord to find that out. Bouncing off the VWAP. So I got a Tradeify growth account going. It's funded. I passed it yesterday. I made 417 on it today, on day one. You have to trade those for 7 days. I'm due for another Tradeify payout. Haven't had one in a hot minute. Haven't really been trading with them that much. But I kind of was just focusing on Take Profit Trader daily payouts and trade day and Bulenox, believe it or not. Even my funded futures, I hadn't gotten a payout in a while. But kind of broke that curse today again. Intraday trailing. So the best way I can describe MB intraday trailing is like this. So say you start out with $2,000 in drawdown, right? You get in a trade. It goes up $2,000 in that one trade and you don't close it and it comes back to your entry, you blow the account. Because it's intraday trailing, so it's all in the same day. Have I tried Trade Day? Yes, JVal. I got a payout with them this week, $500 on day one, and then I ended up blowing the account. And I have 2 more Trade Day 50K end of day accounts going right now. Boomer trades? Not really. I mean, yeah. The thing about only trading the inside and outside bars is that I should just be trading them because they work. But no, I don't. I mean, I trade on discretion. I will take initial balance highs and low breaks. I'll take a trade, a bounce off the VWAP. I'll do something like a wick test, like a trades by Matt wick test sometimes when I'm trading. So say we had a giant push up. Let's see if I can find something. You guys familiar with the wick test? Can't seem to find anything. Yeah, I can't find anything good. But yeah, I trade these harami candles too. This is a really good example of a harami. So it came back down. It came into a inefficiency or a fair value gap. A little ICT talk. I know you guys like that. I take the break of this harami candle and I target the top of the mother candle. So here, and the stop goes below. That is a very good trade. I love taking that trade right there. That's why these purple candles are highlighted. Wick test on a 1 minute. Yeah, you guys know what the wick test is. Yeah, but I will actually take it on a 5 minute if I see it, if it's really pronounced. I'm just not really seeing anything. It's a good trade. It really is. This was kind of like a wick test right here. So say we had the it was super bullish. We came off this harami candle. We pushed up through. It came back and came right to that wick there. Right to the top. And it retested it. And it got bought right back up for the long. So what I would do is I'd just place a buy order right there. And look for, 10 points or so. Corey the phone trader in the house. What is up? I watched your video last night, Corey. Your latest one. I like it. YouTube Gentile? No, you have not missed it. We will do it towards the end of the stream. I usually do it right around like 10 of 8 Eastern time. So in about 45 minutes. One up trader. Yes, really good day today. Had a great day. All right, so it's right back on the VWAP, guys. So I was gonna buy a funding ticks today. I actually didn't do it. I was in the process of buying it just before I got the call to go on My Funded Futures TV. So I was gonna buy a challenge and try them out. I was just gonna buy one account. It's only for 50K account with code PINE. It's only $50 all in. Now, I believe it's end of day. I'm still not familiar with the rules yet, so I need to get myself more familiar. But here it is. It's code PINE. It's only $50 all in. It's the Funding Ticks Pro Plus one step, and then I believe this is the payout cap, 50K with trade of 8, $50. I'm gonna give them a shot. Like I said, I don't know anything about them. I know a lot of you guys have been trading with them, so. And thank you for using my code too, code PINE with them. I noticed that some people have been using my code, so I appreciate that. Yeah, the max payout I believe is 1,000, which is fine. Same with my funded futures that I just took was 1,000, and this one's gonna be 1,000 too. So, but yeah, I'm gonna. The best way for me to learn how to do about the rules of these accounts is to trade them. So I'm gonna buy one right now. Spend a little bit of that payout money. All right, checking out. Completed. Are getting a little bounce off the VWAP. The difference between, well, technically Francis is the same thing, but because the body's open and closes within the body. But the Harami candle basically is it. For me, it sweeps the higher the low of the mother candle, which is this, and the body opens and closes within the body of that mother candle. Harami means pregnant in Japanese, so that's where you get it. Thank you all, Brian. I appreciate that. It is a good deal, yeah. Trade current futures, what is up? No activation fee, no, Chef Chris, that is it. The dashboard is fire. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna give them a shot. I'm gonna learn their rules. They do have a nice dashboard. I gotta figure out how to sign in. Trade current futures. I'm speaking about funding ticks. So fairly new on the block. I'm just giving them a shot. What is the trade of 8? I don't know what the trade of 8 password is. What is the password? Credentials, there we go. I found it. We are in. Signing my agreements. Okay, it's official. Derek, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this set up here. I have no data. No consistency on funded, only eval at 40%. Okay, Eric. Thank you so much. No, I can't full port. Yeah, I probably gotta do it, you know, the correct way. Hey, Wesley, what is up, my friend? Thank you so much, Wesley. Thank you, Max. Thank you, O'Brien. Appreciate that. I still don't have any data on it, though. There's no data. So here's the funding ticks. There's no data. It's delayed. Who needs that? Just push the button. Just push the button. Just 3 trading days to pass the eval? Oh, that's interesting. 3 days. Yeah, that's the one I just bought. William Rugg. Funding ticks 50k eval, 50 bucks. Full port and pray? Yes. That is my eval strategy. Push the button and pray. Yeah, I passed some funding ticks this morning. I thought it was 1 day to pass, so I had to make 6,000 to pass. Since I full ported on the first day. Oh wow. Willie trades, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna look over the rules, you know, a little bit to make sure. Yeah, minimum trading days, 3 days. Profit target, 2,500. Okay, so it's not even 300. 3,000. This is the dashboard. So, yeah, minimum trading days, 3 days. Profit target, 2,500. So it's not even the normal 3,000 like it usually is for 40% consistency. HFD profit percentage. I don't even know what this means. It's got a nice dashboard though, a lot of data. It's pretty sweet. I don't know. I believe it is end of day trailing, end of day drawdown. So three, 4, 5. Bro, I took 10 cons in to check price. Yeah, it can get tough. 3, 4, 5 for sure. Don't go over 30% of your account balance in one trade or you get denied. With who? With who? 3, 4, 5. Funding ticks, model, freedom. You have to hit a profit target of 4,000 daily loss, more than 1,000. Oh, wow. Oh, that means 10-second trades. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, so they have a micro 10-second scalping rule. Okay. That's no big deal. Not for me. Oh, okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Kelly. Appreciate that. How am I not signed up for the poker tournament? I don't know. I don't think I'll be around until later tonight. Supposed to go to dinner. What's up, Sean? Second payout, let's go. Fun to next. Let's go, Joe. Maybe that's the next one I'll try. What's the book map say? Very much on the book map. Uh, 60 lots down at 23,200. That's it. Someone's kind of like moving around a 40 lot. They got a 40 lot down there, 23,235. They keep moving it. Yeah, Cove, I see they spoof orders a lot. That's why I like watching them when I don't like watching it during the day at all, but at night sometimes you start seeing them throw around these 200, 300, 400 lots, and you see the market just kind of gravitate towards those areas. And then like right now you just see this person, I'll pull it up. This person's just like spoofing this 40 lot. It went from here up to here, down to here, and then he just pulled it here, and he just keeps throwing his 40 lot around. It's just kind of funny to watch. And the market does kind of react to it if it's a large enough order, just because it's just so low liquidity. But what is up, Cove? The spoofing, yeah, for sure. Yeah, no, I definitely don't use it. Wow, we're getting a rug pull here. It's going for that 40 lot. It kind of is. Variedades, what is up? Boy, we are getting a rug pull here. Pushing down. Let's go hunt the spoofer. That's kind of what it's doing. It's amazing. There is a 60 lot down there at 23,200. Way down here, but could happen. All right, guys, exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll run the giveaway here in about 20 minutes. You can filter out those algos, Pico Shred. Yeah, I pull up. Be honest, I just pull up the book map on the these YouTubers that run it for free. They pop up all the time until they get banned for copyright reasons for putting up book map, but I to be honest with you, I don't really watch them that much. So usually if someone asks or the market's slow. Yeah, if it gets filled, you switch size ring gap. Yeah, for sure. Tommy Stark, short order entry at 243. Good luck. Nice. Nice trade. Alfred, what is happening? What's going on, man? Took 2 My Funded Future payouts today, Alfred. Not a ton, but I'll take them. Middle of the New York ORB. Yeah. I am rich. I'm a thousandaire. Nice outside bar there. Yeah, this could actually put it set up for an inside bar for sure. Right back to the VWAP though. Probably won't break out of this range until Tokyo Open, which is in about 25 minutes. It's no longer a 60 lot down at 23,200. It is now a 40 lots. Does anyone know why I have a data delay on funding ticks on Tradeovate still? Don't have the premium. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait, but I mean, it's a little weird. I mean, I've had it happen before on other props, but I'll log back out and log back in, see what happens. There we go. We're good. Oh, none of my indicators are there. What will I do? No inside buy indicator. Inside outside bars. Install. EOT. Actually, let's do Harami. And the VWAP. Bang. What do I have to make? 2,500? It's not too bad. There, first trade with funding ticks. Indicators are not good. 3, 4, 5. I don't know. I just got 2 payouts with my indicators. I love my indicators. They just—I don't need them, but they just help me while I'm streaming. They pop up real easily and bright. Give me a little pop. It's the inside. It's the inside bar indicator. It's my whole existence. 3, 4, 5. It's my whole existence. I can't live without it. The RMB, yeah. Sell it now. I'm up $20. Let's go. I don't really use indicators either. It's my charts are pretty much naked. Pine is Harami. He is pregnant. Yes. Let's get this one started. This account started right. I'm in 2 minis though. I'm coming out swinging. This could end really bad. Do I have a daily loss limit on this account? I do not. Don't appear to. I know, Zayd. You just think, well, you know, it could have just went the other way, you know. You could have just flipped the coin and it went the other way. You would have been fine. Yeah, 3, 4, 5 for sure. DGen Central, not too bad. I mean, risking 420 on this, but yeah, it's definitely not great. It'll pop back to the highs maybe. These candles and wicks, yeah. My charts used to be completely naked. I mean, look, here's my Bullenox chart. I just have the VWAP, nothing on it. I've gotten more payouts on this chart than any other one. It's like, go figure. But before I started streaming, I didn't even have the VWAP on there. But when I started streaming, I ended up putting the VWAP on there, and for you guys. It's a good talking point. More indicators, more money. Well, if you're a streamer, more indicators, the more views. Yeah, Tommy Stark, yeah, for sure. I mean, when I first started trading, I had so many, like, you know, a MACD. I had the MACD on there. I had Bollinger Bands. I had all kinds of stuff on there, you know. Full port Friday? Yeah, we probably will full port account tomorrow. We'll see. 2 payouts. Try to get another account passed. That's right. Yeah, I mean, if you guys, I mean, that's the thing. It's like, it doesn't really matter, Tech T, and I agree with you 100%. It's like, if you're using an indicator and it works for you, then use it. If you trade naked charts, if all you trade is IFVGs, and you get payouts, and or can trade on a personal account consistently, that's all that matters, really. If you ask the Magic 8 Ball whether to go long or short, and you make money doing it, then it's like, whatever it takes, you know. Most things, it's just, with any edge, it's about risk management, you know. Having good risk management. Like, I was watching Patrick Whelan this morning, and, like, you know, he takes a lot of trades. I was watching it. I didn't watch it very long, but he was taking trades, and he just kind of, like, slings around contracts. He puts a stop in, and if it hits the stop, he tends to reverse a lot, and he places a lot of trades, which was interesting. I don't really know how he trades, so. All right, 6:55. We will close down the giveaway. Yeah, I'm not a big fan. 345. Check Discord DM. I'm sliding into my DMs, bro. $86 trades, yeah. Mr. Order Filled, Stock Tiger. He's good, dude. I like Stock Tiger. What kind of... Man, Zayd just threw in some feet pics in my DMs. I won't tell anyone. Well, I won't show anyone. I just told people I won't show anyone, though. Yeah, he must have been slinging around some micros there. Oh, 312 trade. Oh, wow. Oh, dang. Yeah. That's a lot of trades. Sometimes it's like, sometimes you have that many trades and it eats up all the commissions eat up all the profits. I actually done that on like a personal account. I was just like, you know, if it weren't for so many, how can you get into my DMs? You guys slide in my DMs on the Discord. Don't mean I'm gonna look at them, but yeah, if you guys haven't joined the Discord, it's right on pinned to the top of the chat. You can slide in, hang out in the Discord. Get up there. I'm gonna get spam 2,000 fee picks now. Hey, Top Dog, what is up? Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. So if you're just tuning in, we actually we took a payout on my funded futures in record time. We just qualified for another payout for my funded futures. We'll take that tomorrow. And I'm currently on a funding ticks eval. I don't know too much about the company, but I'm gonna give them a shot. See if I can pass an account and get a payout and take their money. Because that is what we're trying to do. Is take these prop firms' money. But yeah, you guys can use my code with Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Apex, Bulanox, Tradeify, Trade Day, Funding Ticks, pretty much all the firms that you guys are trading with to help support the channel. I appreciate it. I think Trade Day is a very good deal too. Right now you can get their intraday trailing 50Ks, get paid on day one are 59 bucks. It's Pine with a capital P for Trade Day. And if you guys got any questions about the props or whatever, just hit me up. Coach Fred in the house. What's going on, Coach Fred? Hope you had a good day. I prefer toe shoe picks. That's right. That's funny. I'd like to take off some risk here. We can just get a little pop. There we go. There's a little pop there. Ooh, there we go. So that trade right there was basically off that inside bar, long. We had to be patient with it, but have I ever tried Blue Guardian? I have not. Zaid, you use my code for My Funded Futures. Enjoy the $1. Thank you so much, Zaid. Yeah, we don't get a whole lot for commissions. Do you have to take profits from prop firms or let it ride? Top Dog, I'm not exactly sure what you're asking, but yeah, I take max payouts. Every chance I get, I take the max payout. And whatever I have for a buffer, once I get to the payout, then, you know. So if you guys haven't joined the giveaway, it's I'm gonna give away a Take Profit Trader account. Your birthday 522, let's go. Moose Knuckles warming up the race, come on. I haven't seen Tyler today. I don't think. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, Gary. So it's a Take Profit Trader 50K credit is what you guys will get. So it's a free evaluation. Is that Bookmap? I don't have Bookmap, Grumpy Grandpa. I just actually I watched the YouTube free. If you just type in Bookmap on YouTube, you'll find channels that just kind of run Bookmap all the time. Obviously, it's a little delayed, so, but yeah. Tyler was here. Yeah, I don't see him late. I don't see him. I'm gonna put it in anyway, and if he's not, if it wins and he's not here, it's gonna be kind of funny. So we can. So I'm gonna close the entries in 1 minute, guys. I'm closing the entries at 6:57. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you haven't gotten in yet, and that is it. And smash the like button too. I mean, we got 260 people in the Moose race. I mean, I think we could have at least 260 likes on the stream for a free giveaway. Smash the like button. I know it's kind of annoying, but at least it helps out the channel, you know. Pushes the YouTube algorithms to throw my channel on other feeds, so 148 28 days all-time highs. Oh, interesting, Mike. Yeah. Barim, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. All right, closing it down. And we're gonna run the Moose race, guys. I gotta put my hat on. Where's my hat? All right, let's go. We got the Moose race going on. Good luck to the winners, or to the winner. Let's go. Oh, I got no music. There we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. $263 people in the Moose race. It's a lot of meese. That's right. Legion Workshop on the outside. Rubbin's racing, guys. Rubbin's racing. Four seconds. Who's it gonna be? Oh! it? Who is it? I think it's Coach Singh. Let's go, Coach Singh. Nico trades futures in third. Brady Bruss. Oh, Queen of Trades in fourth. Coach Singh must be here. Yes. Coach Singh, let's go. Oh, so close, Brady. So close. Let's see who finished last. Piano Trader. Pro Fast Guy. Coach Fred down at the bottom. Piano Trader in last. Congratulations, Coach Singh. That's awesome. Coach Singh, are you on my Discord? No, it's all random. The typing one is just for fun. It's rigged. Of course it's rigged. It's all rigged. No, it's all random. Typing the one. Pivot points is you. Alright, Coach Singh, I just sent you a DM. Thank you. Thank you. YouTube Gentile. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it for me. A few nice trades. So anyways, I locked in a payout on this. This is great. So that's 2 payouts on my funded futures today. Or one will be tomorrow. And I started a funding ticks eval. So up 238 on that. We'll see if we can get that passed, and hopefully have one of those funded next week and work on getting the payout. But yeah, please use code PINE with all the prop firms to help support the channel. I really appreciate that. So my funded futures, guys, you don't really get much. It's 5% off. That's pretty standard for everyone's code. So if you guys are buying my funded futures, use code PINE and take profit trader, guys. When you guys use my code, they give me accounts to use, and I give them away to you guys. So use my code with take profit trader. It's PINE with all caps. But besides that, the only weird one is trade day. It's cap sensitive, so it's PINE with a capital P. But yeah, just put PINE in. Use PINE at your local Costco. You might get a discount. Who knows? I don't know. Try that. But yeah, I appreciate you. I'll be back Sunday night for sure. For sure, Sunday night. Pine Sol works. $10 take profit trade. I wish I had them to give away, man. But we will do another giveaway. I try to do giveaways a couple times a week, but I'm working on trying to get some more take profit trader. I'm working on getting some my funded future accounts to give away. So I'm pressing them right now to see if I can get some of those. And if we do, then I'll give them away on the stream. So. What time Sunday night? 6 p.m. Eastern time. Every single night, guys, except Friday night. except Friday night. And sometimes I'm on Friday nights. Some of you guys have caught me doing a happy hour stream on Friday night. I wasn't in front of the charts, but I was hanging out on my deck, having a drink. So, what size accounts do I trade? Generally 25Ks and 50Ks. That's mostly what I trade. Happy hour stream confirmed. Who knows? Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Coach Singh, I will send that to Take Profit Trader, and you should see that credit in your account in, well, who knows? Hopefully by tomorrow, but sometimes they're slow. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. And, yeah, we'll do it again Sunday. Smash the like button on your way out, too, guys. Peace. Use code PINE. Thank you.